ఈరోజు మనం ఫ్లటర్ iOS SDK కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం ఫ్లటర్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్, ఆండ్రాయిడ్ SDK ఇన్స్టాలేషన్, ఆండ్రాయిడ్ యాప్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చూసాం. సో ద సేమ్ కోడ్ హౌ కెన్ యూ రన్ యాజ్ అన్ iOS యాప్ అనేది ఈరోజు నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఫ్లటర్ డాక్టర్ -v రన్ చేసి చూద్దాం. ఇఫ్ యూ సీ లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో సెటప్ చేసినట్టుగా ఫ్లటర్ SDK, ఆండ్రాయిడ్ SDK అన్నీ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయినాయి. Xcode which is required for iOS development అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. సో టు స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఫస్ట్ Xcode డౌన్లోడ్ చేద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసి డౌన్లోడ్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే Xcode వెబ్సైట్కి వెళ్ళాం. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ క్లిక్ డౌన్లోడ్ హియర్ యాప్ స్టోర్ లింక్ వస్తుంది అండ్ వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ downloading from here. Okay, one thing is iOS development works only on Mac. You can't do this on Windows. So if you want to do iOS development, you have to have some version of a MacBook. Okay, let this complete the download now. Okay, download almost అయిపోయింది. Once it's installed, let's open it and see. Okay, open చేసినప్పుడు it might ask for some permissions. Give all the required permissions and password that it asks for. ఓకే, ఇది ఓపెన్ అయినప్పుడు దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఇట్ షోస్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డౌన్లోడ్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ SDK అనమాట. సో ఫార్ మనం Xcode సాఫ్ట్వేర్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసాం. ఇన్ దట్ ద iOS డెవలప్మెంట్ కిట్ని ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తున్నాం అనమాట. సో లెట్ ఇట్ అగైన్ డౌన్లోడ్. దిస్ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఓకే, ఇది కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిపోయింది. లెట్స్ ఓపెన్ ఇట్ అండ్ సీ. కంటిన్యూ. ఓకే, సో Xcode is now installed. Let's go back to the command prompt again and run flutter doctor -v. So ఇప్పుడు iOS SDK లో if you see it says Xcode is installed, but Cocoa pods are still needed. So now let's try and install them. So as it shows here, Cocoa pods is the package manager for iOS anamata. So let's go to the link that is given there and see if we can install. ఈ లింక్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇట్ విల్ రీడైరెక్ట్ టు ద Cocoa pods installation page. So let's copy that command and try and install. Gem install Cocoa pods. So before that we need to accept the Xcode license. Okay, now this license is done. It will show you list of licenses. Last lo agree and type cheyalante. Now let's install the Cocoa pods. So as you can see, error ochindi. That is because the default Ruby version that we have doesn't match the required version anamata. So let's try and install this through using Brew. Okay, so Brew is a package manager for iOS or Mac devices anamata. It's very convenient to use Brew. If you haven't already, install Brew first by copy pasting the command from their website, just this curl command. Okay, now we are installing Brew currently. It should be quick. Okay, hit enter. So ఒకసారి Brew install చేసేసుకున్నాక using that we will install Cocoa pods. Using Brew, any installation of a package on iOS is very easy actually. Okay, yeah, so brew is installed. Mm, so you can either set the path like this or just open a new terminal tab. Okay, so in the new terminal tab, all the path is set. We will have brew here. Ikkada just type brew install cocoa parts. It should install the required packages, dependencies, versions, everything. If you have used Linux or Ubuntu, apt get Ubuntu lo etluntado, brew is the same thing here. Okay, let it install. Okay, let's type flutter doctor again and see where we are. So ఇప్పుడు cocoa pods కూడా installed అని చెప్పాలి. Let's see. Yeah, so అన్నీ installed but it's unable to get list of installed simulator runtimes. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం సిమ్యులేటర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. లెట్స్ సెర్చ్ ఆన్ హౌ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ దాట్. ఓకే, సో దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ సింపుల్ కమాండ్ దట్ వీ కెన్ టైప్, xcode command, which will install the iOS simulator for us. So let's type that and see. This will again take some time, so let's wait for the installation to complete. Simulator is still downloading. Let's see if Chrome is downloaded. Yeah, Chrome is downloaded. Let's install Chrome. Okay, Chrome is downloaded. Let's go to a new terminal, type flutter doctor v and see what it says about Chrome now. Okay, Chrome is also set as a development environment for us. Xcode is still downloading, so except that we have everything else. So now let's see Flutter devices and see what all are available. So we should have Chrome and Mac OS, which are the connected devices. So if you go to the emulators, last video lo మనం ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన అదర్ ఎమ్యులేటర్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి, లైక్ the medium phone, that is the Android phone. You can see platform is Android. Now iOS simulator install చేసాం కాబట్టి iOS డివైస్ కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం మన లాస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ని క్రోమ్లో రన్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఫర్ దాట్ లెట్స్ గో టు ద కోడ్ వేర్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యాడ్ ద కోడ్. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి so this is the code which we have written last time. So ఇప్పుడైతే కోడ్ ఏం చేయట్లేదు, we will just run it using the flutter run command. So if we forget the command, we can always quickly search. So let's quickly check on the iOS platform installation also. Xcode build -download platform iOS. This is where we were installing the iOS platform. Okay, it is still downloading and installing. So once it's installed, ఇప్పుడు flutter doctor -v చూస్తే you can see everything is green now. So we have Android, we have iOS, we have Chrome. Okay, so ఇందాక we saw the command కదా, let's see. Let's run flutter run -d Chrome and run this, open our application in Chrome. Okay, so it is currently building. Few seconds తీసుకుంటుంది. Okay, now our application started in the Chrome. So remember, మనం కోడ్ చేంజ్ ఏం చేయలేదు, we just ran it with a different name and it opened up as a web app in Chrome. Okay, So the same Flutter code ni you can deploy as a web application, you can deploy as an Android application, you can deploy as a iOS app. Now let's exit this and let's try to run our emulators since everything is ready. Okay. Let's copy the iOS simulator ID and start that simulator. Okay, so it should start a iPhone simulator now. So since it's booting up for the first time, this will also take some time to open up. Let's wait. Okay, the phone is starting now. So the default applications are loaded. Now it will install our application also. To do that, we have to do Flutter run. So ఇప్పుడు emulator launch అయింది. When you do Flutter run, మన కోడ్ని ఆ ఎమ్యులేటర్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇట్స్ వెరీ సిమిలర్ టు హౌ వి డిడ్ ఫర్ ఆండ్రాయిడ్. Okay, our application is now installed. Let's open and see. So it looks very similar to what we had in Chrome. Okay, so with same code base, now we got a iOS application ready. You can test it on this emulator just like on a real device. If needed, you can also connect your iPad or iPhone and deploy this application. But Apple is very restrictive, so it will give you only 7 days permission to install an unknown application once you enable the developer mode. If you are ready and if you submit to App Store, you can publicly test it, but that involves some money. So okay, now let's run the Android SDK as well. So let's run the Android emulator first, or let's start the Android emulator first and run our application, launch our application in the Android. So now Android phone is booting up. So this was faster because it loaded last time. This is not the first time it is starting. Okay, so let's deploy our application here as well. Okay, so now when you run Flutter run, since there are many devices now, it is giving an option. Earlier only iOS or iPhone was running emulator. Now we have multiple things, so it is asking anamata. So select the appropriate option for Android and it will install the application there. Okay, it is now starting the application in Android phone as well. See, we can see both of them side by side, and if necessary do some tests. Let's also run Chrome. You can run multiple things in parallel as well. So let's try the Mac OS application as well. So I selected 3, so it will deploy now as a Mac OS app. So all of them same code again. Mac OS app started. So we have Mac OS app, Android phone, iPhone, all running. Okay, so this is how you can set up your Flutter SDK and use one code to deploy all applications. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.